So last time I was in my Minecraft, tutorial, and I found something very interesting.
Siéntate en la mesa a comer.
I found this slime stack. I'm not even in hard mode. I didn't even download a map. It was like a blue slime or a green. Yeah, that was a green. That was a green slime running up. And then this pig was horrible. Or two ones. They both killed it. And then I saw the slime. And then it came mythical slime stuff. And I was like, what? Isn't that awesome?